Brandon Stabler here with Training for Warriors Ropestone. I'm here with Rich
Sonato from Love Holds Life Children's Cancer Foundation.
Look guys, we're doing this video, we're here messing around, but every month, at the end of the month, the last Saturday of every month, we do a charity event for Rich, all right? We're trying to help local kids with cancer. If it doesn't register yet for you, it does for me because I have kids, all right? A lot of people in here have kids, and we want to make a big difference.
A little about Love Holds Life. The local organization, we help out local kids that are in need. Our families count on us to provide and pay their medical bills that insurance does not fully cover. What does that mean? It means their average bill is around $10,000 a year that we have to pay for these families. So we need your help and commitment to doing a just cause and helping the local community. So please come out and help out.
Yeah, guys, it's open to everybody too. You don't have to be a member of the gym to come. It's open to the public. Come in, donate whatever you can donate, and it's much appreciated.
Every dollar adds up and every dollar counts. So it's up to you to come out and make that difference.